Good morning, you guys. Today I'm gonna just go with me to the store, spend the day with me, what have you. It's gonna be a beautiful day today. I have to go drop off. You guys, I'm gonna be a grandmother. So I have like a gender reveal card that my kids got, and I did look at it, what they're having yet. So they don't know. So I gotta drop that off at the bakery for them, and they're gonna do like a cute little cake, and then see what they have, and then they're gonna cut into the cake or whatever. So that's gonna be kind of cool. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and start my breakfast. I'm just gonna have a smoothie. I made raisin bread yesterday, so I did burn this a little bit, but y'all, I made raisin bread. I'll show y'all that. It is. It's actually pretty good. So yeah, so let me show you guys what's gonna go into the smoothie, and I just use this little scale right here. Just a kitchen scale is what I use to make sure I got my right measurements. Okay, so this is my favorite time of the year. I love spring, I love summer, I love anything where I can get my plants in the ground. You guys know that. I'm going to show y'all what I've started growing inside already, and then we'll go to the garden, and then we'll do our errands or whatever. Okay, so I've already started doing these ones right here. We've got lettuce and all that stuff, and then we've got some cucumbers and some other stuff. I always like to grow inside first and then do some plants, and then I also buy plants as well, so I do a mixture of both, and then I'll show you guys. And then I also have those right there, and that's squash. So I have that. Yeah, look at this beautiful plant, guys. I do have a green thumb. So like this, my sister gave this to me. I carried it back from South Carolina. It was just one little leaf, and look what I have done with it. I love my plants. So I'll show y'all the card. Here's the card. So I've got to drop this off for my kids at the place, and so we're gonna go outside. I'm gonna show y'all my garden little setup real quick before we head out. If you're into gardening, then you know this is the bag method, you guys. So what I did was kind of just took off all of these, because I had like Brussels sprouts last year and I had a bunch of stuff. So these are all grow bags. So I went through, took all of those out just to get it ready, and I'm gonna put some good clean organic dirt in there. These, if you're thinking about doing grow bags, you guys, I do like the grow bags, but you gotta water them a lot. So I don't know. I mean, water bag, these are great. These kept all the rabbits didn't bother them, because I do have a lot of little critters and stuff around here. That didn't bother them, but it takes a lot. We also tried this method right here with the water, and for some reason, I don't know if my husband didn't build it right, but somehow that got all messed up, so the water was draining out. My plants didn't do. This is the most successful method I have had, is in these grow beds, but then the rabbits get in them. So this year, my husband, I'll include some pictures of my past gardens, because it is a successful garden. It's just that I have to fight with these animals. So he's gonna put some tops on those, and I'll show you guys along the way. And so yeah, so we're getting this all together. We're gonna do a gazebo over there, and then have all of the plants right there on that side. And this is a nice large space. Actually, it's enough space to stock up my family for the year. Now it's just me and my husband that live here, and I do the freezing and the canning and all that type of stuff. It's amazing. Love it. So okay, let's head to the store. If you guys don't know, I did go back to school to get my certification for holistic health coach, and I'm also working on becoming a herbalist. So I'm gonna go and grab some herbs from the herb store and just kind of see what they have. And I got different little things that I am working on. I brought my Stanley cup, and then I have my smoothie right here, so I can have that. All right, so we're gonna head on out. gonna close out the vlog for today, you guys. I'm at the mall, so I'm gonna do some shopping. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.